So we just finished drawing this one, and for now we want to decorate, let's say decorate this bathroom, so that we will have some things, to make it look more appealing. So if I click on this wall, I want to have tiles on the walls. When you'll be in the bathroom, I want to have tiles running from the ground to the ceiling. Usually sometimes you don't have them running all the way to the ceiling. If you don't want them to run all the way to the ceiling, you can use goodies to do that. But do I have goodies? I don't have goodies right now, so I will install later and I'll show you. But for now I just want the tiles to run from the ground all the way to the wall. So to do that, and I want the tiles to be on the bathroom side only, but I don't want them to be on this other side. But if I click on this wall, the wall runs all the way from here to here. So there are two ways you can do this. You can either come and draw a very small wall here, a very tiny wall that you will apply the tiles texture when you go to Twinmotion. Or another option is I can click on this and make a copy of the same, Ctrl+Shift+D, so that I make a copy, and this first copy I bring it to here. Then the remaining part it can start from here all the way to the end. So if we have our tiles on this wall, they won't be seen on this other end. And now I can create a texture for the same. So let me use this is yellow, stucco yellow. Let's go with stucco yellow, no problem. So let's call this DA 004, DA04. Then I hit OK. So, and also on this wall, if you click on this, I think it runs all the way. This one runs all the way to here, but for me, I just want it from this point. Then from this point to this point, we will have a different texture, and here to here is a different one. So this one, let me just cut. Can I cut it? Did I have I did not have a wall here, but I think I was supposed to have a wall here. It could look better that way. Let me copy this on Ctrl+Shift+D, so that we bring it here and we delete this door. Yeah. Then I can shorten this wall to the same length as this. Then if I click on this and I click on this one as well, I hold Shift, then I can hold Control and cut out this part. So yeah, now I can drag a copy of this, Ctrl+Shift+D to here, and I can delete the window, and I can shorten this one to somewhere there. So let's move away. Let me shorten this one because it is interfering. Let me just lengthen it to here. It doesn't want to. Okay, I'll shorten you then. We already had the wall. Man, we already had the wall. Sorry. So the thing is, we'll come and hide the wash basin. The hand wash basin will be here, and a mirror for the bathroom mirror, not dressing mirror. We'll have a bathroom mirror here, so that when one washes their hands, they can be able to see themselves on the mirror. Yeah. So now I can click on this one as well. This and this, I can be able to apply a texture that when I go to Twinmotion, I'm going to apply tiles on those textures. So I can click on this from 3D. I used the navigation to get into the room easier. So yeah, so if I click on this wall, I'm supposed to know which wall am I supposed to apply the texture on, so that it won't maybe affect the exterior side. So I can switch off, like, let me unlink. I can switch off like this to just see the reaction. So yeah, this is the texture that I want. So I want it to be the new texture that we've created, which was stucco yellow D04. And then I can click on this. Let me do Ctrl T first. Let's test with this to see if it's the, yeah, it's the one. Then I will change it as well. So I'm doing this because I don't want to like affect the texture on the other end. I'm okay with the texture I had on the other end. I just want to change the texture within the bathroom, so that I will apply my tiles on that side. Yeah. Then I hit OK, and we can do the same on this wall too, because it will appear from inside. So yeah, it is that one. Because I'm unable to see the change, it means this is what I'm going to change from the inside. So yeah, so again we can do some changes here on the outside too, because maybe I'll do that one later. Let's continue with the bathroom first. So after doing that, I might want to draw the ceiling. I'm not really going to play with it. I think I'll just leave it the way it is. We can just put a lamp on the top. So I'm looking for the center of this bathroom, so that we can be able to draw a lamp, and I just want a simple one. This is the center. Now I can come here. We want to do the same like this one, but now circular one. So diameter is going to be 150 diameter. Let's use, can I use 250? Or 300? Let's use 300. So we can draw that line, then we click on it and we do the thing which we call forgetting the name, offsetting. We just want to offset by a very tiny thing, which is 5 mm. Fuck, what have I done? Ctrl Z. So let's redo, man. I made a mistake. Yeah, we did offset it by 5 mm. Then to make it easier for me, I can delete this line, and I click on the slab, and now I can just hit there and there, then here and here as well. So I could use just the setting of this one. So let me see, 40, 20, 800. Okay, so this one I want it to be 40. Ctrl G, Ctrl T. We're going to do 40. Then location is 2800. Then we switch on the textures, and we want it to be, we're using the lights that we created. We don't want to, maybe I don't want to create anymore, so I'm just using this one, which is golden oak DA05. I link it, then I click on the outer guys, Ctrl G, Ctrl T, and can switch them on as well. I forgot to check, we were using 15, yeah, and to link, so I forgot to check their location. So let's go back here and try to check. Control T, location is 27, 80, 20. So I can adjust them as well. Control T, this is 20, this is 27, 80. So from what you can see, I've not even placed the toilet seat, but I will do that when I'm in Twinmotion, because Twinmotion has a lot of objects which are much cooler than the ones in ArchiCAD, and you can download your own objects as well, other objects I mean. So here I want to change the ceiling of that was, what was it? It was our dining area. So I'm lost, man. I'm lost. The dining area, you can see the ceiling on this end and this end looks the same. So it means if I apply a texture, they're all gonna look the same, but I want the dining to look a little different. So I can come and create a new texture here, which is surfaces, and for the ceiling, so let me create a white texture, glossy white. I want to change the dining ceiling to something else. Then I can now draw a slab. So I click on the slab and I want it to be from here to this end. I did not want to do like different designs on the slab, on the ceiling for the slab. I just want to do a simple ordinary thing. And here we do, let's do 75. And the location from the ground can be 2750. Let me do 2750. And now I could change the texture at the bottom. This is what I want to change, which we've just created, to that. Now I'm going to take the drawing to Twinmotion, and I'll show you in another short tutorial how what we have drawn looks so far. So this one I'm going to raise it up a little so that it is let me see, 75. I was supposed to do 2850. What is the problem now? 2850. Yeah, 2850, so that you can be able to see these designs that we had at the top. So like I said, I'm going to send the drawing to Twinmotion now, so that I can show you the bathroom, how it looks like after what we've done, and I can apply a texture on this wall, on the ceiling as well, a different texture, so that you can be able to see how the ceiling will look like so far.